very strong gusts of wind from the south-southwest, as you can see. These are big gum trees. They're getting blown around just like they're small street trees, you know. They've been there for how many hundreds of years? Could be a doozy.
Well, hopefully we can get an even better one.
I missed it again, did I?
Don't do that area, just do here, okay?
Alright.
And like save the problem.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh damn, I missed another bolt. I've just been capturing these
You
bolts.
got it! Was the camera on?
It's on, but I didn't swing around enough.
It could have been on the side. Dad just got it. How'd you put this on?
No, you don't, Crystal.
Dad, just keep filming it.
I'll run out of battery, and I think I've only got so many minutes left.
That's the Whoa, there's light blue. What's the light blue mean?